Hi guys, it's me again. Today I'm gonna make a homemade volcano. I hope you're doing this outside in your garden like I'm doing it, because look, there's so many grass. So what you need is an empty dish, empty bottle, some vinegar, bicarbonate soda, some food colouring and the fennel and sand. Now what we do is pour half vinegar into the empty measuring cup. Now you add the food colouring. You mix it up so we get super duper red, like real lava. Now it's all done. How quickly? 1 minute. Now I put the bicarbonated soda into the fennel and then it goes into the empty bottle. Slowly so it doesn't get stuck. Now I place the half-filled bottle in the middle of the empty dish, and now let's start building. Who likes building? I do. Put your hand up if you like it. Who likes digging for buried treasure? I do. Now, I scoop some up with a spade. So, as the building is nearly finished, shall I tell you which volcano is the biggest? You'll be surprised. One of the biggest volcanoes are on Mars. Now, the volcano is all done. How do you like my construction volcano? So now, here comes the fun part. So now you put the fennel in the big bottle. There. I'm scared. It's on the table! Ah! Run! This happened because the bicarbonated soda and the vinegar mix it up into a liquid and then it exploded. I hope you like this new fun science experiment. I hope you try this at home. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and the bell if you don't, so you will miss out this video. Bye.